Welcome to How to Do One Step Sparring for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Ilsusik Deryang, also known as One Step Sparring. Ilsusik Deryang, Sip Chill and Sip Pow. So 17 and 18. This time the attacker is going to do a high punch and a second punch. So they're going to do a 1, then 2. So I'm going to step off line in the front stance. I'm going to do an outside palm block and a ridge hand simultaneously as I do that to their groin. Here, then inside outside ridge hand. Okay, then palm strike to the center. Step across and I'm going to jump spin inside outside kick. And that is the finish of that one. So I'm going to repeat on the right side. Again, I'm going to do a palm block and ridge hand simultaneously. Ridge hand block, second punch, palm strike, step across, and jump spin inside outside kick. So I'll do it for your perspective here. Make sure my mic doesn't fall off. All right, moving to the left. I'm going to block, strike, block the second punch, palm, and jumping out. Okay, and then last but not least, to the right. Palm block, ridge hand block, palm strike, and jump spin inside outside kick. And that's the last of the set of Ilsusik Deryang. Sip Chilban, Sip Palban. And that is One Step Sparring, 17 and 18. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe, ring that bell. And that's it for all the one steps. There's all 18. So there should be 9 videos here. I have a playlist set up. So go check them out in order if you want, or out of order, however you want to do it. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Until the next video, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.